Hi, sometimes we complain we don't know how to start. So the one of the easiest ways is to recreate any story. Pick out a few words from each sentence and then try to recreate the story. I give you an example. A cat. A cat is a cunning animal, so you can pick the word cunning. It likes to eat fish and meat. It can walk in dark. It can see in dark and it can walk without making any sound. So you can pick the word see or dark, and it will help you to recall the entire sentence. So in this way, you can actually recreate the entire story, any story. Just pick out a few words from each sentence and then try to complete or recreate the sentence. Just put the subject. Suppose it can see in the dark. If you choose the word dark, dark what? See who? The cat. So the cat can see in dark. So in this way, if you put the subject and if you just remember the verb, and then you can adjust with the object or complement and you can recreate the story. So start today, start now. Thank you.